This is my book. I have already introduced the cover page. Now I'm going to give you the brief review of the inside of this book. Testimonial. A message to you. Why I wrote this book. Secret 1. Introduction. The Year of the Snake. A time for transform. It's time to transform now. Secret 2. How do you stand out in a saturated content world? Secret 3. Monetization and wealth building for creators. Secret 4. The power of your avatar and the big lies. Secret 5. Building a powerful personal brand. Secret 6. AI and the future of content creation. Secret 7. Growth strategies for social media and content creators. Secret 8. Overcoming challenges and staying motivated. Secret 9. The Year of the Snake and your personal growth. Secret 10. Your success plan. Take action now. Secret 11. Your year to shine. Secret 12. Topic. A father's wisdom. Lessons for success and wealth. This is my parents and me. Secret 13. Topic. A mother's wisdom. Success with heart and balance. This is my mom. Secret 14. Topic. 14-day adventure to transform your life. Wisdom and strategies of the snake. 14 days challenge. Their story and different thing I wrote. Secret 15. The 12 zodiac sign. A timeless reference. Here is a timeless reference. Secret 16. Portrait of life. Stories that shape us. Secret 17. Homeland of emerging social media and content creator. This is our group. My last message, acknowledgement. This is my bio. Thank you so much, everybody. Thank you all. Time to transform in 2025.